Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be walking you through a really interesting Excel problem and the scenario that I face on real life. So here's the scenario. I was given a list of branches from website and I had to bring it in Excel sheet in a really beautiful format that can be used for analysis and other works. But the thing is, it is on website. So all I can do is I can copy this data from beginning to end, and I can copy this data and go to Excel and paste it out. As you can see, this is not really nice looking format, so let me clean this first. So here is what my data looks like now, but as you can see, I do not have this data in a pretty format. We have branch, we have phone number and email address. We have branch, we have phone number and email address. This pattern continues to the end of the data. You have branch, which is Whaling Sangza, we have telephone number and email address. So how can we bring this data in a tabular format? Branch, phone number, email. Since there are so many branches, around 259 row items, you cannot do it manually, right? So here is a trick on how you can do it. You can press equals to and link to Argakachi. You go to phone number. For this, you have to use this row below this. So I'm using phone number to link this. And for email, you have to use a row below this. Equals to, we're using email address. All you have to do is use this and drag it till the end. So let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. So here it is working perfectly fine. Now all you have to do is select all the data, go to top, you go to special, select blanks. Now you have selected all the empty cells. Now here's the tricky part. You have to press Ctrl minus, which is for delete, and you press shift cells up. Press enter, and there you have it. Here is the name of branch, here is phone number, and here are the emails. If you want to cross check it, you just go here and see there are all branches over here, phone number are over here, and email address is over here. But since it is linked now, we have to copy this data and paste it as values, so that even if that data is not with us, we can perfectly do it. So here is your data. We have converted this data to an Excel sheet that looks pretty good, and that's it. Thank you for sticking till the end of the video. Until next time, this is Badal signing off now. Hasta luego.